Hello everybody. Today you can say that Python is one of the most important programming language out there. Why? Well, it is simple, intuitive and easy to use. Also, the simple web-based Jupyter notebook provided is another benefit. Another very important thing about Python is host of modules and libraries it offers. When you install your Anaconda distribution, Python provides you a number of libraries which comes pre-installed. So for today's video, we'll see one of such modules, that is a math module and an OS module in our today's tutorial. If you want to know what module you have, you can simply invoke a help function with modules in it. So let's see to check what are the modules installed onto my system. As you can see on my screen, this is my Jupyter notebook which is open. I'll go into my work folder, that is demos, and here I'll create a new Python notebook. Simply will invoke a help function and type in modules. Shift enter. So it will say to please wait a moment while I gather a list of all the available modules. So how do you get the functionality that the module has made available? Well, this can be done using the import statement. Observe closely. I am typing an import statement followed by the module name. But today we're gonna study math and OS modules. So let us import the functionality of math module by giving it a command as import space module. The module name. So now this has imported the math module onto this particular Python notebook. The math module offers variety of constants and variables which are important for various math functions. Let's say for example, a math module has already predefined pi values, which is predefined and pre-installed along with the Python distribution. So to check the value of pi, we have this constant value already defined into the math module. There are various other functions which are available inside Python, like for example e. We can check the value of math.e and it shows the value of e. We can also check the value of ceiling value of any float number, like for example 841 will give us the ceiling value as 9. We can check the floor value as well. So from here we observe that math dot prefix as a math value is always required whenever we want to use any functions which is predefined inside the math module. Once after we have installed the module, we can use its name as a prefix and we can call the particular function as per the requirement. So this is how we can check and import the math module.